subsequent to declaring what is apparently a 3-month delay in the creation slope of the Model 3. Yesterday, Tesla says that it is currently refreshing the conveyance course of events of Model 3 reservations throughout the following 24 hours. Tesla beforehand guided that it would hit a creation rate of 5,000 units for every week in December 2017. The objective has now been pushed to late Q1 2018. Presently, this postponement can influence Model 3 reservation holders diversely in light of the fact that CEO Elon Musk said that regardless, he anticipates that Tesla will create a couple of thousands Model 3 vehicles for each week before the year's over, which should bring about some client conveyances. Display 3 reservation holders were beforehand given unpleasant 3-month windows for their conveyance in light of a few components, similar to date of the reservation. Advertise where the auto will be conveyed, the setup of the auto's powertrain, and regardless of whether the reservation holder is as of now a Tesla proprietor. Tesla is clearly as yet refreshing the conveyance courses of events on the Tesla records of reservation holders. However, we have officially gotten a few refreshed timetables. The second reservation is constantly given a later conveyance gauge since Tesla clearly wouldn't like to convey 2 autos in the meantime to early clients. The beginning of standard battery creation, a approximately 50 kWh pack rather than the right now delivered approximately 75 kWh pack, has additionally slipped into mid-2018. It appears that conveyance gauges have been less affected for reservation holders who as of now had later dates, regardless of whether in light of the fact that they are on the East Drift outside the US or they are not present Tesla proprietors. It would appear that it's for the most part those with as of now the soonest conceivable conveyance dates that are most influenced, as Tesla is as yet planning to get to huge generation volumes before the year's over and afterward increase to 5,000 units and 10,000 units for every week 1 year from now. Ideally, Tesla continues refreshing those conveyance gauges since they are fundamental for the individuals who the planning of changing their present auto for the Model 3 is vital.